look at this nice assortment of 4 early travel brochures relating to different cities. This one here, California 1915. This is a very interesting one on Detroit. There's no date apparent on it, but it would appear also to date from around the same time, early in the 20th century, somewhere between maybe 1910 and 1925 or so. Great images inside there. This is very nice. It's got an embossed cover here. This building is embossed, and it's about New York. And here we see it's about 1913, and look at this. Yeah, that's great. Published for distribution among the visitors to the Woolworth Tower. So this is nice. Yeah, here's the imprint, 1913. Yeah, this is very interesting. Skyscraper related publication. Yeah, quite pleasing to look at. Oh, color. We have some color there. It's panoramic. And the final item is this scarce and beautiful Toronto, Canada, which has, again, its embossed cover. And then there's this kind of fancy spider web. Actually, it's literally a spider web end paper right here, tissue guard, so to speak. And this appears also to date from around that same era, early in the 20th century, perhaps 1910, 1920-ish. And it's a series of views of beautiful homes, really beautiful homes actually, in the Toronto area. And this lot of 4 travel items is available online from me, Brian DiMambro.